What's up guys, it's Puppycraft here. Welcome back to the channel. I hope you guys enjoy. Today I'll be showing you something I previously noticed. So the last two videos I uploaded, I played them back to my dad and this one seemed to catch my dog's eye. Didn't it, Louie, huh? Right, so it's called What Happens When I Say I Chew. If you want to go and subscribe and have a look at it. But if I play it to a certain part, he'll start barking because for some reason he doesn't like it. Ready? Wait, I've got to play it back. So I'm going to show you guys something really funny you can do. Louie, chew. Chew. Yeah, I agree. So that's what my dog can do. Right, so as you guys saw there, he seemed to not like the video and started barking. I think this is because every time I say the special word, then he'll start barking. Watch. Louie. Louie. Chew. Chew. What? 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 What, baby? What? What? So, hope you guys enjoyed. Hit the subscribe button, turn on notifications, and give us a huge thumbs up. Bye!